Hi, it's David Gomm in the Stained Glass Studio. I'm just shooting the introduction to this video over again because the original was a little bit blurry, but the information is still good. So this is about this rectangle fan lamp base, and it's pretty self-explanatory. You'll notice that I'm wearing a different shirt and I have a little more facial hair than I did in the original video, and I hope you like it. And this is about the rectangle fan lamp base. Now this is a supplemental training to go with the training that we had for our people who bought the fan lamp video that's available on Amazon, or people who have signed up for our class. So this is something new, and it's different because you don't have to have a fan shape. You have this big long slot in it, and so on the PDF I'm providing the engineering drawings so woodworkers can build their own fan base, and then Jeannie has come up with a couple of really nice patterns, and they're about the right size to fit in this slot. Now you can get these from us, or you can get them from your local stained glass supply. They work the same as the fan lamp base. So this is a lot like a fan lamp, even though it's not a fan lamp and it ought to have a different name. But anyhow, it's called the rectangle fan lamp base. And now this one is an interesting pattern because it looks kind of like a traditional clock, and this thing here in the middle is an antique milk bottle cap. And so you can get this antique milk bottle cap from antique stores, or you know, I don't know, maybe, you know, there must have been a lot of them made because they used to fit right on top of a milk bottle. So, and that's made to fit right there, and you'll be able to put your glass around it and set it in here, and it'll be a cute little design. So that's it. That's the extra instruction that you get. Hope that's advantageous to you. I'm sure that if you have the DVD, or if you're taking the training, this will all make sense to you.